Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. By default, WordPress allows only certain file types to be uploaded due to security reasons in its own library. So if you want to add an SVG file in WordPress, then it won't allow you to upload it directly. So you have to make some tweaks in order to upload SVG files in your WordPress library. So welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add SVG files in your WordPress library. Now, you have to hover onto media and click on add new and try uploading an SVG file type. Now you can see that there is an error. So this type of error occurs because this type of file is not allowed because of security reasons. So in order to solve this error, let's go to plugins and click on add new. Now in search box type for SVG support. Now we are looking for this plugin, so click on install now. Now click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, hover into settings and then click on SVG support. Now you can configure various settings related to this plugin. So on the settings page, you need to check the box next to restrict to administrator option. This will allow only a site administrator to upload SVG files in WordPress. So I'll definitely recommend you to do this if you are having multi-author website, because you don't want any kind of security glitch in your website. So you can upload SVG files and not any other person. Only the admins are allowed to upload SVG files. Don't forget to save the changes. Now let's try to upload the SVG file. So in order to do that, let's go to media and then click on add new. Now click on select files and upload the SVG file here. So as you can see that the SVG file has been successfully uploaded. So that's how easy it is to allow WordPress to upload SVG files.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.